Students, a very good morning to you. Today we will be concluding our bisecting class with bisecting oblique lines. A quick recap on what are oblique lines. Oblique lines are essentially lines that are drawn in an angle, any angle, as opposed to our vertical line and our horizontal line. So let's go about bisecting an oblique line measured at 93 millimeters. Our first step is to take a ruler, angle it in any position that we desire, because these are oblique lines, and we're going to draw, as usual, any length of line in construction. The second step is to then mark off our line segment at the beginning and at the end, as we usually do. So I'm going to use my ruler to mark off my beginning point. Now again, as I said before, you don't have to use your ruler. You can do this by hand. It's just for me, I have to work with a ruler in order to do this successfully on the computer. So once you've marked out your beginning line segment, you're then going to measure the distance. And in this case, the distance is 93. So we have 9 centimeter, which is also 90 millimeter. So we're going to take that and we're going to try to see if we can find 93. So we have 9. If this is 9, then the next stroke after will be 91, 92, 93. So I'm going to mark that off on my ruler. So this is my 93. So we have A, we have B, and we're going to also label our distance. And that is 93 millimeter. So as usual, we take our compass, we place our compass point at the beginning of our line, and we open our compass to more than half of the line. So in my estimate, this is more than half. So I'm going to draw my arc at the top position of my line and at the bottom position of my line. Without changing the distance of this arc, I'm now going to take my compass point and place it at B. And I'm going to scribe my arc to intersect with the first. Remember that intersect means lines that are crossing. So all that's left of me now is to simply take my ruler and position it to where the arcs intersect at these 2 points, just like we've done before. And we draw our line. This line that we're drawing is going to divide. So the line that I've just drawn here, that divides the line in half, that is our bisector. So now that we have successfully bisected our oblique line, all that's left for us to do is to draw our original line in an object line, and that completes our drawing. So now that we have completed bisecting an oblique line, here is the homework that you are to complete. So what you're going to do, you're going to bisect an 8.1 centimeter oblique line. You're going to bisect a 70 millimeter oblique line, and you're going to bisect a 6.6 centimeter oblique line. Best of luck in completing your homework.